Today I will discuss how to measure GSM of a fabric. So GSM means grams per square meter. That means the weight of 1 meter into 1 meter fabric samples in gram is known as the GSM. So if the fabric sample is cut in 1 meter into 1 meter area, then the weight of the fabric sample will be known as the GSM. So if the length of the fabric sample is 1 meter and its width is 1 meter and their weight is x in gram, then that x is known as the GSM for these types of the sample. Higher the GSM of the fabric sample indicates the higher or more or larger density of the fabric. But in industry, GSM is measured in different way by using the GSM cutter. It is because if 1 meter into 1 meter area of the fabric sample is cut every time for checking the GSM, then there will be a huge loss of the wastage of the fabric, which will incur a huge loss. Which types of the fabric requires measuring GSM? Woven fabric, knit fabric, or both the fabrics? In industry, basically knit fabric requires measuring the GSM because knit fabric is measured in weight basis. On the other hand, woven fabric is measured in length basis, and that's why knit fabric requires GSM calculation to get a proper indication of the requirements of the fabric. There are several fabric GSM cutter sample machines for your reference. Look at the images and find out how the GSM of a fabric is cut manually. First, the GSM pad is placed on a table and then the fabric sample is placed over the GSM pad, and then GSM cutter is placed on the top of the fabric sample. Then, by giving the pressure on the top handle of the GSM cutter machine, we need to rotate the handle around and to complete a cycle. You can also cut the fabric GSM by using an automatic fabric GSM cutter machine. There is a figure for yourself. After cutting the GSM of the sample fabric by using a GSM cutter, the sample fabric will look like a circle mentioned in the figure. Now we need to take the weight of all these samples, and for this reason we need an electric balance. Before going to take the weight of the samples, we need to neutralize the electric balance first and then take the samples weight. Let the weight of the fabric sample or the GSM cut fabric is 1.75 from the electric balance. Now multiply this 1.75 value by 100. We found 175 gram weight of the fabric sample. So the GSM of the fabric sample is 175 gram. So you can also say that the weight of 1 meter into 1 meter fabric sample is 175. You might arise a question why 100 is multiplied with the found weight of the fabric. I will answer this question in another video. Stay tuned. Thank you.